In this video, we're going to take a look at Bill.com. So basically, on this platform, you'll be able to create and pay bills, send invoices, manage expenses, control budget, and much more. So basically, this is all-in-one app that will allow you to manage everything that is related about finances. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see that they have different plans. So here we have for businesses and for accountants. So based on what do you want to use this for, so as you can see, we have accounts payable and receivable, spend and expenses. So here, as you can see, it's completely free. And the cheapest one is $45 per user, and the as you can see, the priciest one is $79 per user. Here we can see the plan features. So as you can see, manually integrate with accounting software via CSV file import export, easily enter bills, automate approval workflows, and much more. So this is what this is used for. So if you're a business looking for something to manage your bills, your expenses in your business, I really recommend you Bill.com. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.